Welcome to day 30 of our 30 days pattern drafting. This is the last day for this challenge. Thanks to all those who have been part of it and those who attempted it. This is a big thank you to all of you. And in today's video, we shall be learning how to draft an off-shoulder blouse. So I have gone ahead and made the outline for a princess dart. We have done that severally. So I'll attach a video to this one on how to go about a princess dart. Next thing we're going to do now is just to go ahead and determine our neckline, the style of our neckline. We can either go this way by creating a curve from this point here, like this, or we can go this way and have a sweetheart neckline. But in this video, I'll be going with the sweetheart neckline. Now I'll just go ahead and cut out the unnecessary and unwanted parts and I'll be back. And this is it. We don't need this part. You cut this unfold and then you cut two of this. You do the same thing to your back pattern and there you have it. You have an off-shoulder pattern. If you want to go higher than what we did here, you can start cutting from somewhere here. It depends on how high or how low you want it. You can just go ahead and start making your neckline from around this point. That's not a problem. But you do the same thing, the exact same thing to your back so that you would have an even measurement. Thank you and see you in the coming days.